It was 25 years back when I started training children for FIITJEE. And even at that time, they used to ask me, so should we prepare for FIITJEE or should we focus on school and CBSE? How to manage the dual pressure of this double education? It is sad that even after 75 years of India's independence, there is no such a school in India where children can prepare for FIITJEE, NEET or medical. They have to opt for concepts like dummy school. In the streets of Kota, there is nobody to look after them, there is nobody to take care of them. It is an extremely stressful life they live in these villages, in these streets. It is an extremely stressful life they live in the lanes of Kota, but no more. Now this paradigm will be changed by FIITJEE Global School.
For over 20 years, FIITJEE Chennai has stood as a beacon of excellence, shaping the careers of countless students. With an unparalleled legacy of producing top ranks in IIT JEE and NEET, we have redefined what it means to achieve success. This tradition of excellence has now paved the way for a groundbreaking endeavor, FIITJEE Global School. FIITJEE Global Schools are committed to revolutionizing school education, creating a paradigm shift by integrating academic excellence with a visionary approach to holistic development. With flagship campuses in Chennai and Vellore, FIITJEE Global Schools stand as beacons of innovation, fostering a culture of excellence in every facet of learning. E. Empowering. X. Excellence. C. Career. E. Essential. L. Life skills. We proudly unveil the Excel campus at FIITJEE Global School, Vellore, an exceptional residential campus built to transform dreams into reality and shape the next generation of leaders. Situated in the heart of Vellore, a city renowned for its rich history and academic excellence, the Excel campus thrives in an ecosystem that has fostered some of India's finest institutions, including VIT and CMC. This academic-rich environment provides the ideal setting for our students, reinforcing their aspirations and positioning them for unparalleled success. Nestled near the Eastern Ghats, the Excel campus offers an unparalleled setting that seamlessly blends rigorous academic preparation with natural tranquility. The city of Vellore is very well connected to entire India by two nearby airports, Chennai and Bangalore, and trains to almost all states of India. Our vision is crystal clear: to transform the dreams of every IIT, JEE and NEET aspirant into reality, fostering an environment where stress-free preparation leads to optimum success. At Excel Campus, we strive to create a nurturing space where rigorous academic training is paired with unparalleled support, enabling students to achieve not just academic excellence but life-changing milestones. Every journey begins with a single step. At the Excel Campus, students embark on a transformative journey, a journey where aspirations meet unparalleled opportunities. At the Excel Campus, excellence isn't just a promise. It's a proven and meticulously structured journey. Guided by our expert faculty, we follow a transformative four-step approach designed to empower students in realizing their IIT and medical aspirations. The journey begins with deep learning experiences led by seasoned educators, ensuring students build a strong conceptual foundation. This is seamlessly reinforced through FIITJEE's unparalleled pattern-proof study material, meticulously crafted to address the evolving dynamics of competitive exams. The third step engages students in rigorous standardized testing that mirrors real exam conditions, fostering confidence and resilience. Finally, an in-depth performance analysis helps students pinpoint areas for improvement, turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. This cycle of learning, practicing, testing, and analyzing is repeated until excellence becomes a habit. At Excel Campus, we turn aspirations into achievements through a relentless commitment to proven methodologies and unmatched results. The Excel Campus proudly offers world-class residential facilities that redefine comfort and functionality, setting a benchmark for excellence in student accommodation. Our standard, 4 students per room facility, the Quad, with attached bathrooms and individual in-room study space, fosters focus and camaraderie. A more economical 10 students per room facility, the Deca Hub, is designed for collaborative and dynamic living. With modern bunk beds, attached bathrooms, ample storage, it inspires group learning and academic synergy. For students seeking privacy, the Duet and Solo Night provide 2 sharing and single rooms, complete with attached bathrooms, kitchenette, and individual study spaces. In addition, the Excel Campus provides all the students multiple self-study and small group discussion avenues. At the Excel Campus, we pride ourselves on being a home away from home for our students. Our mentors don't just teach, they nurture, stepping into roles traditionally held by parents to ensure that every student feels supported, valued, and understood. By guiding them through their emotional, academic, and personal challenges, our mentors create an environment where every aspirant can thrive and reach their fullest potential. At the Excel Campus, student well-being is our top priority. Our in-house dietitian curates meals tailored to the rigorous demands of young aspirants, ensuring optimal nutrition for peak performance. With round-the-clock counselors providing unwavering emotional support, we leave no stone unturned in nurturing their mental health. Our fully equipped on-campus infirmary, complemented by partnerships with premier hospitals, guarantees immediate and reliable medical care when it matters most. We recognize that the path to competitive exam success can be demanding and stressful. That's why we have meticulously crafted a balanced campus life where structured recreation and sports play a pivotal role. These activities are not just diversions, but essential components of a stress-free preparation strategy, ensuring students recharge, find joy, and build resilience while staying focused on their ultimate goals. At Excel Campus, we don't just prepare students for exams, we shape their futures. Our transformative approach instills confidence, resilience, and a winning mindset, ensuring every student emerges as a capable leader, ready to conquer the challenges of the real world. This is where aspirations turn into achievements and dreams take flight. The future begins here. Join us at FIITJEE Global School's Excel Campus and take the first step towards a lifetime of achievement.